his name is John C.
What's that?
And his name is John C.
Okay, that's enough of that. Okay, this is my 2x2 that I got not that long ago. I got it yesterday, and I am super duper happy that
Say your name.
I have it. I'll do that later. And yeah, if you want to get a 2x2. Sorry, just let me solve this side first, because okay. If you want a 2x2, I suggest going to Rubix.com or ordering one from Amazon or eBay or Kijiji or wait, I already said eBay. Other shopping places like Mastermind, but they're really bad for Rubik's cubes. They only have like one, but in the store they have more. Hey, look, you can see me right there. There's me, and there's me, my grandparents, me, my dad, my grandma, me on a crocodile. Right there, no. Huh. Yeah, so, yeah, and if you're tired and sick of my videos, because you probably are, because I suck at this, I suggest going to check out Statical Rope. He's one of my buddies. And
Noah?
yeah, Noah. And if you don't like his videos, well then just go watch whoever the heck you want. PewDiePie, Sunday, Jacksepticeye, people, stuff, Jinx, I don't know. Or if you do like me and my videos, not like me, but like my videos, well then I suggest you just keep on watching ones that randomly come. And if you don't like my videos or Statical Rope's videos, check out Tsunamo D. Videos might get a little bored of that, so go check out some other videos. He's not very good at it either, but yeah, if you did like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. No mean comments. Yeah, I should really look at the camera more. Holy, I'm like, and yeah, so I guess I'll see you bros later. Peace out. What? Oh, sorry.